Swiss has committed itself to ambitious CO2 reduction targets. We implemented various measures to reduce the CO2 emissions of our daily operation. Investments in modern aircraft and the scaling and the use of sustainable aviation fuel are main levers. Partnerships with innovative companies are another crucial element in driving key technologies forward. That's why we are extremely proud of our pioneering partnership with the Swiss company Climeworks.
Climeworks is the global leader in direct air capture carbon removal. We remove unavoidable and historic CO2 from the air and store it permanently in the ground at the largest commercial direct air capture facility in Iceland, which is operational since 2021. Going forward, captured CO2 can also be used to produce sustainable aviation fuel. SWISS is our first airline industry partner. Their commitment exemplifies that there is a long-term demand from the aviation industry for high-quality carbon removal. This is crucial for us to scale up our operations. And this is how it works. Ambient air is drawn into a CO2 collector by a fan, and the CO2 is captured by a highly selective filter material inside. In a second step, the filter is heated up and releases the CO2 again, which is then extracted in concentrated form and can be safely stored underground. For this, we work together with our partners who are injecting the CO2 into basalt rock formations where it is turned into stone within 2 years. So the CO2 is removed from the atmosphere forever.
This partnership with Climeworks marks another step for Swiss and the Lufthansa Group towards more sustainable travel and our net zero target. We look forward to paving the way together with Climeworks.